Hey everyone, welcome to the Different Fins channel. 6 months and 3 days ago, I began my open water fishing season in the kayak on this very river. It is October 15th. It was a little frosty this morning, below freezing. I'm thinking this is going to be my last day in the kayak, my last outing. So why not end it where I began the season? Let's get out there and have some fun. Just kind of fishing for whatever today, but starting with the usual Northland Whistler jig and a 3-inch gulp minnow. I'm just going to take my time working down the river towards Lake of the Woods. Reports say that the shiners are running right now. That's why the walleye would be in here. But honestly, last day out in the yak, I'd be happy to catch anything. So far I'm marking a lot of bait fish, but nothing much bigger. I'm coming up to the International Bridge. This side is Canada, that side's the United States. That's Baudette, Minnesota. Canadian side is Rainy River, the town of Rainy River. So once I get around the bridge, I'm really gonna work those pilings, the columns, see if there's any structure or a hole where the fish might be hanging out. We're about an hour into the day and no fish yet. Ooh, got a fish. Oh, go figure. Smallmouth bass. Look how pale this thing is though. Isn't that insane? It's crazy. All right, going back. Check out this cool tree with an eagle's nest. No sign of birds, but summertime I'm thinking there's a family of eagles in there. Well, 2 hours in, all I have to show for my efforts is one tiny little bass. I sure hope I didn't drive 2.5 hours for one little bass. No sign of walleye yet, not even a pike, and the wind is supposed to get pretty brutal in the mid-afternoon. Yep, current's going this way, wind is blowing this way, you got big standing waves. I think I'm gonna go back to the bridge. I know I caught a bass only there, but it was something. I'm gonna go work my way around those columns once more. Maybe head back upstream to the town of Rainy River. Look for some holes up there because no sign of fish here. And I've only seen about half a dozen boats out here today. That's not a good sign. Oh. Come on, Rainy River, give me a good day of fishing. Fish on. Can't see it yet. Wow. That is a ginormous rock bass. Rock bass. Oh man. Alright. Back it goes. It's a fish. A fish? Yeah, it's a fish. Wasn't fighting at all. What's going on here? Oh, bass. Go figure. Whatever. There it is. Mr. Bass. Alright, back it goes. I'm getting flashbacks to a couple weekends ago when I was trying to catch lake trout and all I could catch was bass. I'm on the Rainy River, walleye capital of the world. All I can catch is bass. At least I'm catching something. At least I'm catching something. At least I'm catching something. Fish on. What we got here? Wait, it's fighting. I'd say bass. Yep. Curse of the bass continues. At least it's a better one. Come on. Gotta admit, the color of these bass, it's really cool. They're really pale. One last look. Back it goes. No walleye yet, but catching fish. Fish on. You guessed it. I am actually looking forward to ice fishing, simply because I know I won't catch bass while ice fishing. Wow. Fish on. Guess what it is? But you can't. marking like 1.5 meter long fish. I know what it is. Big sturgeon down there. Not going to catch it on gulp. It is windy, but on the plus side, it's a rather warm day. It's nice for mid-October. Probably like 15 Celsius. I'm actually getting warm in my sweater. I was thinking about taking it off, but I'm almost done. Well, I didn't get that big fat fall walleye I was hoping for. Did get a bunch of bass. It is what it is. I still had a lot of fun. I mean, for an October day, mid-October, it's warm, sunny. Maybe that's why I wasn't catching fish. But yeah, aside from the heavy wind, it was all good. I don't know if I'll ever target walleye on Rainy River ever again. I've tried it 3 times. Each time was pretty lackluster, I'll admit. But there is one fish that is in abundance there that might bring me back. Sturgeon. Maybe in the future I'll get myself a Minnesota license, fish the other side of the river, because down there it's legal, same body of water. You can't fish for sturgeon in Canada. But as I was landing, I saw a couple walleye fishermen fighting a big fish for about 10 minutes. The line broke just as he was about to land it, but I saw it. It was a nice sturgeon. So that might be what draws me back to Rainy, but for now, I'm gonna go home, pack up my kayak. The season's over. That's it. That's all. Well, the kayak season. I still got some open water fishing. I'll do some shore fishing. Plus I'm still bird hunting. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the bass action. Until next time, tight lines. We'll catch you later.